How to enable iPhone's low power mode automatically. Hello everyone and welcome back. For better battery management, it's really easy to enable iPhone's low power mode so that your battery is not drained. To do this, you're going to go into your settings tab. And once you go into your settings tab, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see the option for battery. Click on this option and enable the low power mode. Once you enable your low power mode, this is going to be triggered automatically, and whenever your battery reaches a certain set percentage, your low power mode will be triggered and your overall application drainage of your battery will be reduced. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.